This video is starting off a little bit different. We thought we'd just take you on a little bit of a day. Again, we may not even release this video, but we thought we'd record it anyway, as we always do. Yeah. We're in a VXR. Not going to tell you which VXR, but we're in a VXR. But I will say, Wish stereo still going strong, so you could probably guess which VXR we're in. So we're going to go and pick up some engines. So we've got to go and fetch the van. We just finished working on the Subaru. If this goes up before the Subaru, you will see that completed in one video. So we haven't forgot about that. That is coming. We just finished working on it. We're just waiting for some bits to dry. Can't really do anything else until then. So we're going to go to the Ollerton unit and we're going to go and pick up the van, because we're about to go and pick up some spare engines, some VXR spare engines. We thought we'd show this process as well, because again, people just think we get people's engines in and then that's it, but we do actually use our own money to buy spare engines. It benefits us in many ways, doesn't it? Yeah. Because you tend to find when a lot of people do a lot of work on cars, especially the VXRs, everything's all messed up, isn't it? And bodged. Yeah, very bodged, very messed up. So those spare little bits come in handy. Same with the blocks, the heads, the cranks and all that sort of stuff. We can get stuff machined off, ready, and have it all sat there. So we're doing jobs like head gaskets and things like that, and making forges faster as well, can't we? So we can get all the machine work done, because again, we do wait a lot for the machine work. Also as well, air fresheners, because Jack's just bouncing it around. I think they're £3 for £3.50 at the minute. So get on it. Vanilla cheesecake, go. Smells good. We're gonna go now, like I said, Ollerton, and we'll meet you there. What are you laughing at? I don't know, it's just funny. I'm here after Jack just made my tits hit the roof. Do you actually just want to open that? Because I want to speak to him about something inside as well. But we're going to obviously pick the van up as well. We just dropped all the 16-year-olds off back at McDonald's. Now we're driving the Corsa again. I am going to explain some things about the front of this as well, because yes, it's back to normal. But a big shout out to all you guys. It's come for a forge. Massive shout out. Certain company for this Corsa E here didn't do too well. It went for an inspection and they absolutely gave the guy a load of fodder, which wasn't very nice. So now he's with us for a forge and we wasn't impressed with the work. So, but big orange machine. Will, if you're watching this, yes, we are starting to forge the Ford side of stuff as well. So the Focus, the RS and the Fiestas and the EcoBoost, we are moving to that. I'm going to stop talking. We're going to go and get in the van. We're going to head, I think it's about 2 hours away. Yes, it is locked down, but it is work purposes. We do need these desperately because we've got customers that are needing extra engine parts, so we do need to do this, unfortunately. So this is why we're going. But yes, please, I want some water. But no water. One water. We'll go off. But yeah, thank you guys for obviously watching the videos, liking and subscribing. We've got plenty of stuff for the 350 as well, that we just haven't got around to doing. The rear arches, we need to do them. The spoiler will be in this country very soon as well, so we're going to get them sorted and get them all sprayed. We've got EBC brakes, we've got earthing kit, we've got renew fan, we've got all sorts, haven't we, for the 350. New tips. New exhaust tips. Yes. Okay. When we get a spare hour, we try and record a quick video like on the 350 or anything else. So that's why we haven't done the rear arches yet, because it's going to take us a full day. We can't have a full day yet, yes?
My mum sent me one of those gifts.
Your mum sent you a GIF?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Jackie, your mummy loves you.
Someone has to.
I love you, Jack.
Thanks.
We just had a bit of a... I don't know what it was. I don't actually know what it was, but
I'm gonna go
we was driving and it felt like something hit the side of the van, like something flew into the van, didn't it? But then it felt like it went under the wheel. So we just got out, we inspected the side of the van, there's nothing there.
All the wheels are still on.
All the wheels are still on. The tyres are still pumped up. So, and I mean it hit with a massive thud, and there's nothing in the back. It came from the outside. on the driver's side. So we're just having a little drive down now to see if we can see anything.
Where was it?
A bit further down. But I don't know. Let's spin you guys around as well.
After 300 yards, turn right.
There's somewhere around here. There's nothing there. What was that? Oh, was it that tree? I wonder if the tree branch fell down.
Where?
There's a tree branch just on the floor there. It was after this bit.
What's it down there still?
Yeah. That's so strange. Well, saying that though, there's no wind or anything. Like, the trees are all still, so. To be fair though, that branch is not big enough.
I didn't even see it.
Because we was on this side of the road, not that side. It's like there, look.
Where?
Just there. Tiny. There, what was that? It was same again. Did you hear that?
I think it's something out of trees.
What is it? I swear to God, you know if there's squirrels chucking shit at us? I swear. Right, so we have no idea what that was, but we're going to continue this journey, get some banging tunes on. Jack's going to dance his arse off again in the driver's seat, and he's probably going to shit himself. So yeah, let's have some fun. I did promise in this video as well that I would talk to you about obviously the wide body and why we've got Jack's car back to normal. So in all honesty, we're not sure what's going to happen at the minute. We decided to put it all back to standard, so put the bumpers and the wings and everything back on just so we could actually get it out and drive it and get it back on the road. This is just until we decide if the wide body kit's going to get processed, if we're going to make the kit again, or what's we're going to do with the other kit. Obviously we didn't want to be selfish with that, did we?
No.
We wanted to actually make it so other people could enjoy that kit. That was the whole purpose of the last video, because again, we don't want to be greedy and use it if other people want it, and if other people do want it enough to, then we could reproduce it for them people to actually enjoy it as well. We want other people to enjoy it, not just us. So we're about half an hour away from here. We're getting there very, very slowly. It's red hot, we're baking. Obviously when we get there, all social distancing is going to be adhered to and all that sort of stuff as well. We've also got some like antiviral wipes in the back that actually kills coronavirus. So we are very, very prepared. We may also as well, if you guys want to see a video, we may actually show you what it's like to run a garage during the coronavirus. It's quite nice, huh? Isn't it? S1
C9 Devil.
Yes, just missed it. But yeah, we may actually do the video showing you what it's like to run a garage during the coronavirus times and the precautions that we have to actually take, because it's not a case of just accepting customers and things like that. We actually do have a procedure that we follow to make sure that everybody's healthy and safe at the same time. So if you do want to see that, make sure you drop in a comment, make sure you smash the like button and just say that you want to see it. Just put running a garage vlog, please. XD face. Right, so
wait. That means you've got to do the XD face. Go on.
I can't. I always. Oh, what's that? Your turn.
I don't even know.
It's like, I just went.
I don't know what you meant to do.
I can't do it. But yeah, so that's the reason why. Obviously, Jack's car's back to normal. For now, we'll see what's coming up, so we will update you on that. Like I said, we've got plenty of videos on our own cars. It's just having the time to do it. So when we get the spare hour or so, we're doing the little jobs. That's why the wide body's not on yet. We haven't forgot, like I said, it's just having the time to do it. We put customers first, which has always been our way on it. Yeah. Customers' cars always come first before our own. If there's work to be done there, then fair enough. If we're waiting on machine work, then okay, we'll crack on with some of our own stuff, but it's not always the case. So get these engines and we're going to update you probably on anything that happens. And Jack's got bites all over his legs, haven't you? His legs are on fire.
Oh, scratching that feels great.
What, are you scratching your balls or your legs?
Both.
Well, your balls are down there.
Yeah, it's a bit warm, you see.
I think you need to go to the doctors, mate, if your balls are down there.
I thought that was normal.
No.
At least you don't make the slap noise, Rusty.
Yeah, mind you, make a slap noise.
Right.
We're not going to tell him about that.
About this.
Yeah. That wasn't him clapping. So just quickly, while before I bake in this car, just come to this guy. He's got obviously a Mariva VXR. There's a VXR sat over there. I'm guessing he deals with the VXRs and strips them quite a bit, so that's always a good sign. We did see one VXR on the way here. Unfortunately, he got pulled over on the M1. So if that was you, unlucky. Unless you just broke up, or well, broke down. If you did, Rusty Auto's down below. Get your centre forge. So follow us. Having fun there, Jack. So engines are in, all secured, slowly. Now it's time to make our way back, and Jack's going to have to put up my fat dancing.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, so is my underboob.
It's a bit warm in here.
It is hot.
Don't ask me to grab your tits ever again.
What?
Not in this
You
one.
liked it. You loved it.
Not in this
Don't
one.
deny it. Don't deny it. So it might be a bit loud, but we're on the way back and we wanted to just test a theory. So you know when you're driving a massive long journey and you get all them flies all over your front bumper? Well, what would happen if you stuck your hand out the window for a good 5 minutes? Do you think your hand would be covered in flies? It's going to be like Mythbusters, this, isn't it? So we'll get back to you in a couple of minutes when my hand's been outside for 5 minutes.
My fat's flying everywhere.
Yeah, so is mine. Although that does feel like a G, if you know what I mean.
Yeah,
Comment below.
That's definitely a G.
Definitely a G. I don't think this is a good idea. You can feel them hitting your hands, can't you?
Yeah.
It fucking hurts. Like some of them, you can just feel them like glove tap you a little bit, but then you get some that just proper hit your hand, don't they?
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's time to check.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to check mine. I've actually got a few. There's one like there. Let me just turn this camera around. But I don't know if you can see it there. There's one. Then there's one there. That's two. Let's have a look at yours.
Wait.
What is that? Did you get splattered?
Yeah.
Oh. So
It definitely works.
the theory works. You stick your hand out the window, and you get a load of flies on your hands. So now, if you want to actually try that, make sure you tag us on Instagram story, and we'll repost it. So give it a go. But it does hurt. If you get a big one, it hurts. So don't say that we didn't warn you. It's like being shot by a BB bullet, isn't it?
Yeah, and I think you should also tell us what size.
What size? What size did you get to? Make sure you comment down below. We've made it back to Rusty Auto's HQ. We're going to drag these engines in, strip them down, and get back to working. Astra engineer ready to be stripped down as well. Loads of stuff going off here. We've got plenty of engine parts, engine stuff all around here as well. Everything's all organised. We know what's for everybody, so that's very important. If you guys do want any work, drop us a message below. Hopefully you guys like this video. It's a little bit different, but hopefully you guys can appreciate it. You know, we just want to put some content out there for you guys to watch. We was making that journey anyway as part of the work, so a little bit extra, you know, it's something for you to see. So sincerely appreciate English. Sincerely appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you do want to see that video of running a garage during the coronavirus, let us know. We can do that. We can show you the process as we do. So like, comment and subscribe. You'll see many videos on the 350 and the VXR very soon. Peace, guys.